Hello everybody, welcome back to the Disney parks. Now, today I have some packages from D23. I think you might have an idea on what one of them is. So let's just open it up. First of all, I got this pin from D23. This isn't like the collector set where it comes with your gold membership. This I bought separately, but you have to be a D23 member to get it. It is a pin for the 35th anniversary of Who Framed Roger Rabbit. But if you look at it, it's actually a billboard from Disney's Hollywood Studios. So I just thought that was pretty cool. Anyways, the D23 package. Also, first of all, the certificate. Here is the gold member card for Disney 100. There were several different options. You could get a Disney one, a Star Wars one, or a Pixar one, and there was also a Marvel one. I chose the Disney one. So there's my card. And then also, there's this code you can put in if you are a Magic Key member, and you can get these postcards with your gold collector set. And the postcards are the posters from Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. So here's the back of the postcards. And then they're all classic Disney films, but with like remixes by Mickey Mouse and some of the other characters from Toontown. So it's like the Scroogiest Millionaire. That's the Happiest Millionaire. Or Mickey, I Shrunk the Nieces. Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. Toonsies. That's Newsies. Goofy Friday. Freaky Friday. And this one's hilarious. Miska Muska for Hocus Pocus. I love these. This is like half the reason I signed up this year was for the postcards, because they're so cool. So yeah. Now, we're here. Mickey Mouse, leader of the club, milestone statue. And then, here's the back. Here's the side with all sorts of Disney characters. And then it's magnetic. You open it up. Okay, this is really cool. So Disney 100. Starting with a small cartoon studio in 1923, Walt Disney's dream has grown into a rich legacy of the world's most inspiring stories, places, and fans all over the past century that we now call the Walt Disney Company. To celebrate this momentous milestone, D23, the official Disney fan club, has partnered with artist James Fauntleroy and Gentle Giant Studios. I'm not sure if I pronounced their names correctly, but to make this milestone statue. There it is. It's the authenticity certificate. And then there's like a whole layer of foam. And here it is. Okay, look at it. That's so cool. So okay, this is really cool. And then make sure it's just the foam. Okay. Wow. This is crazy. So, D23, the official Disney fan club. And then Mickey Mouse. And he's wearing this jacket. And on the back, it says Disney 100. This is so cool. Wow, this is really cool. You can tell, like, at the top, it's a lot lighter than you'd expect at the top. I think it's made of some sort of, like, plastic material. But at the bottom, it's, like, heavier. It's, like, a counterweight. This is so cool. And then if you look on his jacket, he has 3 little pins. He has Eve from WALL-E, the Black Panther from Marvel, and the Resistance sign for Star Wars. And then obviously Mickey Mouse is Disney. So this is really cool. They've definitely, like, stepped up the D23 levels throughout the year with the collector sets. So this is definitely really cool. Definitely going to display it somewhere. So yeah, I just wanted to open this up with you all and show you all this really cool. So, thank you all for